hello to everyone up there. Thank you. Thank you for all the kind hearts I've been getting and for all the love that I've been feeling in Hyderabad. Thank you so much. Thank you. When I land in Hyderabad, I feel at home now, and that's because of Padma. And it's a very, very special film. I'm not going to take a lot of time, but thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you in Padma t-shirts. You're all very special to me. And yeah, I really, really hope that you watch the film on 22nd. I hope you see the magic that Anupama is. I hope you see. We all had a really, really good time making this film, and I'm sure that you will all see that in the film as well. Please watch the film, and I will keep collecting these flying hearts from everyone. Lots of that. Thank you so much. దర్శన గారు మీరు తెలుగుకి డబ్ చేశారు, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఏదైనా ఒక తెలుగు డైలాగ్ మా అందరి కోసం ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది ఫ్లయింగ్ చేసి కూడా వస్తున్నారు. So I learned my Telugu lines. Unfortunately, I don't know enough to speak to you, but I promise that I will learn by the time I come in for the next film. But in the film, there was a long scene I had to do. It was like pages long, and I used to keep learning it. I used to keep saying it in my sleep almost. So I'll say 2 lines from that. 8 years నుంచి కుక్కలాగా పని చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాను. నా మేల్ కొలీగ్స్ కంటే అదే పనికి తక్కువ శాలరీ వస్తుంది అని తెలిసి కూడా నా లైఫ్, నా పర్సనల్ లైఫ్, నా రిలేషన్షిప్స్ పక్కన పెట్టి సక్సీడ్ అవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాను. This is what I remember. But I think the film talks about some really interesting things, and I came on board because I felt like this was pathbreaking in an industry where we don't hear as many women's stories. Here there are 3 women, and that's something that's happening. It's very rare, and I really wanted to be part of this. So thank you so much for the love you're giving me. Every day I open my Instagram and I have so many love notes. So thank you so much. I really hope you like the film. Thank you. And finally, I have కూర్చొని ఉంటే ఒకసారి రిధంలో అందామా మనం ఆవిడ పేరుని ఎలా దర్శన. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇంకేదో దర్శనం మాకు ఇలానే మళ్ళీ లభించాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకున్నాము. అండ్ విష్ యూ గుడ్ లక్ దర్శన గారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ.